Why do you want to work in this company? I want to work in this company because I have heard that this company is one of the most important in the country, and I want to strengthen my working skills and my experience, and this is the best place to get it. When I first saw the job application, I got very excited because that is exactly the field I was looking for. I also see this opportunity as a good way to contribute to this company with my knowledge and skills to make this company not one of the best but the best of the country.